All good? All right. All right, thanks for coming, everybody. We are Mr. M and the All-Nighters. We're going to play a few songs for you. And a couple of originals and one cover. So here we go.
Tell them you're here Tuesday.
We are here Tuesday.
7 to 10.
7 to 10. So if you like what you hear, come and join us on Tuesday night. We're back here at the Admiral for a full meal deal. all of us must find an answer. You can check us out on Mr. M and the All-Nighters.rocks. This next one, we're just going to finish off with this one. If you watch any kind of TV shows on the BBC, this one's the theme tune to Peaky Blinders. Originally done by Nick Cave, but something called Red Right Hand. Tracks where the viaduct looms like a bird of doom, where the chips and cracks, where the secret lies in the border fires, in the humming wires. Hey man, don't get never coming back through the grass, past the bridge, past the mill, past the stacks. On a gathering storm comes a call, and some man dressed in black coat with a red right hand. He'll wrap you in his arms and he'll tell you've been a good boy. He'll rekindle all the dreams that it took you a lifetime to destroy. Into your soul, it'll bring you string of soul. Hey buddy, there ain't a single thing you can do. He's a god, he's a man, he's a gosh, he's a guru. They're whispering his name through this disappearing land. Got the right land with his right hand. He'll get you one. You don't have no self-respect, you feel like an insect. Well, don't you worry, buddy, 'cause here he comes through the ghettos and the barrier and the Bowery and the slum. A shadow is cast wherever he stands. He's like paper in his red right hand, but dreams. Gonna appear out of nowhere.